Find the value of 2 times 10b minus 9b divided by 3 when b equals to 6. Okay, so same thing. Rule of thumb is times and divide first, followed by plus and minus. So we will do this part first and this part first before we think about anything else. So what is 2 times 10b, right? I understand that algebra is only learned in the later part of the year. So it might be a bit difficult for you guys to understand algebra. So one trick is that you can always treat the letters as units. So just treat it as 2 times 10 units minus 9 units divided by 3. So what is 2 times 10 units? Means you got 20 units, right? What is 9 units divided by 3? Means you are left with 3 units. So in the end, you get 17 units. But in this case, remember that we replace b with units. So you replace units back with b, you get 17b. So now what is 17b? They tell you that b is equals to 6. So you just have to sub in b equals to 6. Replace b with 6. So it's just 17 times 6. Since you have no calculator, you have to do it manually. So you should get 102. Okay, why is 17b 17 times 6, right? 17b is equals to 17 times b. It's not 17 minus b, it's not 17 plus b, it's not 17 divided by b. Always remember that 17b is 17 times b. So now they tell you b is equals to 6. Just replace the b with 6, so it just be 17 times 6, which gives you 102. I hope this is clear. Of course, if you are very good with algebra, you don't need to replace b with units. So basically, all these units can just be b. You can just put it as b. There's no need for you to replace it with units. So it just be b, b, b. So end up, you'll still get 17b. Next, question 4. I hope everything so far so good.